Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some stew pork in my kitchen while I'm gonna talk to you guys in my Jamaican accent. So guys, we have some stew pork over here. This is my pork. I've already washed my pork with lemon and some vinegar. Look guys, my pork is all clean. Look at this guys, it's ready. And I'm ready to season this bad boy. So guys, we have some sweet peppers here. We have some mixed blend. I don't leave my mixed blend when I'm making stew pork. I've got some Irish potato right here. I've got my Scotch bonnet pepper and some scallion. I have some garlic right here. I have some carrot here, so I'm gonna have some white onion. So guys, you cannot make stew pork without your browning. Make sure so you have your browning when you cook stew pork. Some Hunt's ketchup, whatever ketchup you have, use it. We got some pimento seed. We got some ginger, garlic, and pimento. I have some black pepper right here. Some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna have some dried thyme. I know so you have to kick it off with some salt. You have to give your food some taste. So guys, let's jump right into business. So guys, I'm going to add all my dried season first. So now I'll go in with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put everything in the description box below so you guys could try it at home. So now guys, as you can see, I put all my dried ingredients first. All of that guys, take a close look. There it is guys, all my dried ingredients first. So now guys, I'm going in with my scallion. So I'm gonna add everything. Now I'm gonna season it so everything can be marinate. So yes guys, my sweet pepper, just tossing everything in. Going in with my white onion. Going in with my carrots. And now, just gonna give this a shake. I'm going in with my mixed blend. You could use how much you want to use. There it is. I'm using like about 1 tablespoon. And I'm going with my fresh garlic. I love to use my fresh garlic because it gives your food a lot of flavor, a lot of taste, and it's also healthy to eat when you're cooking. I'm not going to put my Scotch bonnet pepper as yet. I'm going to put my Scotch bonnet pepper when my food is cooking down. So guys, I'm not putting it yet. Alright guys, browning now. I'm going to add 1 cork of the browning in it. Hear that? Alright. We don't want our food black, so we're not going to put a lot of browning. You understand? Put a little more upon it. So this is what I use guys. See this? Alright, let's throw it over it like that. Alright. Cover this up and put it away. Guys, everything, look, there is everything in my pot. Look at it guys, look at it. Now guys, my Irish potato, I'm not going to add my Irish potato as yet. I'm gonna add my Irish potato when I'm cooking down my stew pork. So now guys, I'm gonna give this a rub. We're gonna use the rubbing method. So we're gonna rub everything in. Alright guys. Rub everything in guys. Don't be afraid. Just rub everything in. If you love stew pork, comment in the comment section and tell me if you love stew pork. Or if you ever had stew pork before. Let me know in the comment section guys. Yes. This is how your stew pork look. Understand? Yeah. And there you have it guys. This is how I season my stew pork. If you want to add more seasoning to it, go ahead. So this is how I do my stew pork in my kitchen. Take a close look. That is my stew pork. Yes, the right texture, everything is perfect. So guys, right here I have my pimento seed. There it is, guys, my pimento seed. And I'm just gonna toss it all over my meat. It helps to tenderize your meat. Yes. I'm just going to give this another stir. Here it is, guys, my stew pork in my kitchen. So now, guys, I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna leave this for 2 hours time so everything can be marinated. So guys, see you back in 2 hours time. We are back from the 2 hours time. Let me take a look at my pork. Oh, look at that, guys. Everything is sweating. OMG, look at my pork, all ready to be cooked. Take a look, guys. Look at that, guys, ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate the seasoning from my pork. So I'm just gonna separate it and put it in a bowl. I don't want the seasoning. The seasoning is going to cook it down, so I'm not going to use the seasoning at the moment. All the carrots, onion, so forth. So let me just separate everything at the moment, guys. So now look at this. We're gonna leave all of this so when we're cooking down our pork, we use this. You see all the niceness in this pot, guys? Watch how me gonna cook down the stew pork. Watch how it's gonna cook down. So now this over here now, guys, it doesn't matter the little excess seasoning on it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So guys, let's get the other process started. We are going with some cooking oil. And I'm just gonna let that hot for a little minute. So now, guys, my oil is hot and I'm gonna add my pork. I don't want it to splash on me, so let me just add it to the pot like this. So guys, I'm gonna let this cook and spring its own water for half an hour time on low to medium heat. So guys, I'm not going to add any water to it. It's gonna spring its own water and it's gonna change its color. So guys, see you back in half an hour time. So now, guys, I'm gonna check my pork. So this is how it looks after the half an hour time, the 30 minutes time. Make sure, guys, you check in between the half an hour time on your pork. Turn it over on the other side so the other side get golden brown. So now I'm gonna add some water to cook down my pork. You want to add water to cover your meat. All right, so just give it a little turn and let it cook. Let it get tenderized. So guys, see you in the next 1 hour time. So now, guys, we're back from the hour time. Let's check our pork to see if it's cooked. Yes, guys, it's a little tender, as you can see. My meat is tender. Look at that, guys. It is tender. Me I cook down the pork. So me I gotta add all of this seasoning to my pork. Alright, everything, all the niceness I go in at the pork right now. Then now, guys, me I go in with my potato, my Irish potato. We're going in with some butter. I'm just going to add piece like this. Butter. Going in with some hot water from my kettle. We don't want a lot of water, so we're gonna use that. And I'm just gonna give this a stir, making sure everything is combined together properly. Stir up the pot. Yes. And I wish you guys could smell all of this right now. It's a nice smell. I hope my neighbors don't come knocking at my door. You know, guys. Alright, so I love how it looks. I love how it looks right now. Let me give this a little taste test and see if I could adjust the salt where necessary. So I'm gonna go in and give this a taste test. And I'm gonna add some salt. Going in some salt. Going in with my Hunt's ketchup. Just gonna add like about 1 tablespoon of ketchup. You know, the ketchup now, it balances everything together. It gives the gravy a thick, nice flavor. Flavorful gravy. So yes. So yes, guys. Look at that already, guys. Look at that. Look at my pork. My stew pork in my kitchen. I'm just gonna drop my bad boy in it right now. Scotch bonnet pepper. Not gonna pop it. I'm just gonna leave it there, you know. All right, give this a taste test again, guys. Perfect. So guys, I'm gonna cover this and leave this for 30 to 35 minutes, and then a time for we eat. So guys, see you back. So guys, my stew pork is all finished. Look at that, guys. The smell is look at my gravy. Look at that, guys. So now I'm gonna turn my stove off and it's time for us to dig in. Guys, take a look for my stew pork. OMG. Guys, if you love this video, please smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and comment in the comment section and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. This is your girl Jody, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye, guys.